Come to Spain with us. Hello, I'm Vidya. If you're taking ECON 207, Intermediate Microeconomics in fall 2026, join us in Spain this fall break. The purpose of this program is simple: to take microeconomics out of the textbook and see how it actually works in the real world. We will spend time in two dramatically different regions, Sevilla in the south and Bilbao in the north. What makes this program truly distinctive is that we don't just visit, we engage. We will explore vibrant local food markets, go behind the scenes at regional manufacturing plants, meet with local businesses, and experience authentic culture together, including a traditional dinner with live flamenco. I guarantee you, this program will be one to remember. This fall break, don't just study microeconomics, experience it in Spain.